And in front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to reset network settings. So first of all, just unroll the list of all apps and go to settings, then pick system and select reset. Here you will notice reset network settings, so smoothly click, then select reset settings to confirm, draw your unlock pattern, tap on reset settings again, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.